Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about Rattan outdoor side tables. If you want to make your outdoor area look great and have a handy place for your stuff, you are in the right place. Let's check out some simple and cool ideas to use rattan side tables to suppress up your outdoor space. Before we jump into the design, let's talk about why rattan side tables are awesome. Rattan make your outdoor area feel cozy and inviting, like a comfy retreat. Let's start with a boho style. Rattan outdoor side tables with interesting waves and patterns can add a bit of boho chic to your outdoor spot through some colorful pillows and learn to make it feel relaxed and carefree. If you like to beach vibe, rattan side tables are perfect. They give your outdoor space that beachy feel. Let back beachy feel like your own vacation. For those who like things clean and simple, rattan side tables can still look great. Choose designer that are sleek and strength forward to add warmth without making it too busy. Rustic charm is all about feeling cozy and unique. Rattan side table with a weather look or natural texture can give your outdoor area that rustic charm. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Combine rattan side tables with other materials like metal or wood for unique and interesting look. It's add depth and make your outdoor area or a stand out. Think about the size of your side tables. Bigger ones can hold more stuff while smaller ones are great for small spaces. Pick the size that fits your needs. Lastly, rattan is thought and can handle to weather. Outdoor rattan furniture is built to last, so your side table will still look good even in bad weather. There you have it, easy rattan side table ideas to make your outdoor space look cool and be practical. Whether you like boho, beachy or simple style, rattan side tables can make your outdoor areas awesome. If you found this rattan side tables idea helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and making your outdoor space better.